Saturday. Cheers in, tuning Ved's car. So this is the famous RS32 of Ved, who is the person behind Select 9 and all the pictures that get captured here at Powertune. So the guys have put direct port water meth in it.
Yep.
So we've done direct port water meth.
Yeah.
You guys have installed this new...
That was in last time already.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Just recently though. But now I've just set up some warnings for his dash.
Yep.
That's the a low level switch. So when there's no water meth or low water meth in the tank, that will flash. That light's supposed to come on once the water meth is activated.
Yep.
So at the moment there's no water meth in the tank, obviously.
Yeah, right. Make with the water meth?
The best it's made is like 420.
Oh really?
But yeah, this is the lower boost setting.
Yep.
So we just want to make the same power, just reduce this fucker.
Oh wow, yeah, right. That's pretty high, eh?
Yeah.
Are you able to give us a quick rundown on what engine this is, Stu?
Yeah, that's a Phoenix overflow model.
This guy.
That's just got an aeroflow filter, but that's Phoenix. That's loose. Loose.
Oh, loose.
Yeah, loose. That's the water that goes into the water cooler.
Ah.
There's a pump down there and a heat exchanger. Well,
so what is this, a 5-cylinder? No, 6.
This is a 6-cylinder.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, yeah. 6-cylinder. Yeah. 6 spark plugs equals 6 cylinders.
Not always, bro.
Oh, no, that's good.
Not always.
Could be a twin spark.
Yeah.
You're right. That's a 3-cylinder.
It's not an overflow.
No, it's not.
Search tank?
Yeah. Got nothing. I was gonna fucking say Phoenix, but there's no pins on it. That's a Phoenix air filter.
Yeah.
Very cooling this one.
Yeah. You know, if this did have Phoenix stuff on it, those intake temps would be a lot further down, you know?
You know what? You're probably right.
Do you know what turbo's on this? Because everyone keeps asking me what turbos are on these cars.
This one here?
Yeah.
This one's an EFR.
Oh, yeah.
8374.
8374. And on the highest boost setting?
420 made on the 85.
What boost is that?
32 PSI, mate.
32 PSI.
I'm about to run that up.
So I'm getting asked all the time now, like, can you tell us what housing, wheel size, yada yada yada?
Yeah, it's better to tell them, you know, so they can copy it. Otherwise, you know, I mean, they go to the shop and they don't know what to buy.
Yeah. Good point.
Yeah. I've got nothing wrong with that. Like, nothing against that. It's good.
Copying it.
Yeah. We'll do the experiment and you guys just reap the rewards, you know what I mean?
Steal all the work.
100%. Yeah. 100%. That's how we do it in Australia.
Yeah. I don't know if I should be cutting that out, but nah, I'll leave it in.
Fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it.
They can copy that too.
Yeah. Alright, so Are you a little bit stuck now because we've got no water now?
Yeah, man. Pretty much wasted time today.
Yep. So we will be back once we have water meth to put in the car, and then Chia will tune it up.
Yeah, man. Make a little computer fingers. What's that? Hold on there.
Oh, no way! Holy crap! That's insane! Has that got any water in it?
Yeah.
Jesus! That's crazy!
Crazy, isn't it? Come on. The pump's not on.
Probably got no water.
Got water in it.
Sup legends, we're back. Late night session with Chia.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got Ved's car back on the dyno, and the boys have changed the water pump. For the water to air cooler system. So it's got I think it's got a Davies Craig in it now, and it's all underneath that bar there. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. Anyway, that is now pumping. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Woo. That should be working bloody good now. And then it's also got obviously the water meth. See the direct port set up down in there, little blue dogs. So there's a water meth tank in the back, which has got fresh VP fuels, water meth stuff, whatever it is. I don't know. It's in the boot anyway. One thing that I didn't show you is over on the right hand side there's a keypad. So as everyone knows, Ved, he drives this one-handed for obvious reasons. So up and down shift, you know what? I'm going to get Chia to show us when he gets in there. He's just strapping it down. He's doing one to the floor through that way, and I should really take note actually, so I can actually help him. But yeah, we should be able to get this finally all tuned up, ready to go for Ved to take the circuit, which will be good. And yeah, he is getting engineered as well. Could you please explain this system?
This one here?
Yeah.
That's the fucking... that's the gear shift.
Yeah.
Fucking yeah. That's the gear shift because Ved's obviously
one-handed.
Yeah. So it's obviously it's a DCT transmission.
Oh yep.
Yeah, the dual clutch. Puts it in there and it just shifts it manually. So I'll show you.
Oh, so
just up and go. Can you see the gear up there? Can you see there?
yep.
And obviously one hand pushes it forward.
Ah, look at that, eh? Yeah, because you guys did that, eh? Yep. And then obviously this keypad down here tucked away.
Yeah, it's obviously again
all one-handed.
Yeah.
It's freaking cool. Alright, so bonnet's on its latch. It's obviously all warmed up. Do you want me to check?
I just want to have a look at see why that's not working first.
Yep.
And then we'll...
Alright, full power run. So we just did a baby run. So still no meth, right?
Cam once and when I press the button, which is right at the end of the run. So let's try it again.
didn't misspell your name. Don't worry. Just want to cheers, mates. How's that intake temp?
Yeah, it's half what it was.
Yeah.
I think that's... probe came out the back, huh? Probe.
Oh. What boost is that?
It's 32 down to 29 pounds.
29?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Look at that intake temp. Hey! That's a bloody brake caliper clearance. Jesus Christ, man. Bloody hell. Just to say that you got Porsche brakes. Front and back. Baller. Here's a good bloody wash butt. 400 kilowatts. That's ridiculous. This little thing. I actually think Ved wants me to change the sticker on the side here. So is that a wrap up, Chair?
Yeah, this is done, man.
Done?
Yeah.
I don't think we told you guys the reason why this was back on the dyno, so I'm going to let Chair explain it.
I'll try my best.
As not as technical as you can be, just as what's the word? Informative.
Alright, I'll try being informant. Intake air temps were getting high on the racetrack. We thought the intercooler wasn't working good. We had the water meth to try and help that. Because Ved was seeing 80 degrees in the air temps.
Which is high, for those that don't know.
80 degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Yeah?
Not
That's
Fahrenheit.
Yeah, it's very high. So we fitted the direct port water meth kit, which is good anyway.
Yep.
And then we found out that actually water pump for the heat exchanger actually shit itself. So that wasn't working, that was causing the problem. So anyway, fixed that, added the direct port water meth, and when using it as sort of an aid to help manage combustion temperatures.
Yeah, so now it should be sweet. You don't know if Ed's taking it out anytime soon? He wasn't getting it ready for an event, was he?
I think December might be, eh?
Oh, he is?
Yeah, he is,
oh,
yeah.
Sweet. Alright, because it's actually quite cool watching him pedal this thing. He, yeah, he's obviously only one-handed, but still keeps up with the other boys. Because he went out with Ray in that last time, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. He freaking loves it. So there you go. I don't actually know what model this is. I just know it's a Golf R32. Is that right, Chair?
Yeah, that's quite well as well.
Yeah. Sorry.
More mark or what? Fucking.
Yeah. I don't even know what the engine's called.
Well, no, sorry?
What's the engine called?
VR6 engine. So it's a 6-cylinder.
Oh, okay.
But single head. Yeah, it's a inline. Sort of inline, but out of line.
It's a weird engine.
Yeah.
And you guys originally built the engine.
Yeah, we done the engine. We built the engine 4 years ago, I think.
I think it was longer, man.
Yeah.
It was before.
Yeah, maybe 5 years ago.
Was it before my Beamer? It's been going for a long time. But obviously Ved only drives it at track days and then every now and then. Oh, because he's actually trying to get it engineered as well, isn't he?
Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's back to engineering as well.
Yeah. So that's the thing I was missing.
This is a super cool car.
How's this though? Freaking water. It's like a hot bath.
Nothing, yeah. It's not even warm.
No.
A big hot bath.
That's crazy. So you got a Davies Craig on there now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I keep thinking it's Craig Davies, and when you said it, did he say it the right way?
Craig Davies.
Yeah.
I think that's a singer or something, isn't it? I got no idea. But if you guys want any more info on this car, actually, you can hit up a Facebook page called Select 9. And I'm sure Ved would be more than happy to tell you all about it. Or he might not be, I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't think I showed the cage in the back. I might have. It's been a few days. So anyway, that's a wrap of the 400 kilowatt R32 Golf. Good work, Chief.
Peace, Vic.
See you guys.